Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are very fine. And now, please make up your mood to read the poem. The title of the poem is The Ant and the Cricket. I want to tell you in very brief that in this cricket we shall see a story of cricket and ant, and the cricket is a coward one and the ant is very laborious insect. Laborious, he who is laborious, certainly he can gain and he can achieve much and he can never die of starvation. But the person who is coward, certainly he will be always in wantage of food, in wantage of all other things, money, etc. बच्चों, मैं तुम लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ कि इस पोएम की जो थीम है उसमें एक टिड्डा है, एक चींटी है। टिड्डा कायर है, काम नहीं करता है, निकम्मा है। गर्मी और बरसात के मौसम में वो केवल इधर उधर घास पर, पत्तियों पर बैठ करके गाता रहता है। लेकिन चींटी जो है हमेशा परिश्रम करती रहती है, अनाज को ले जा करके अपने जो उसका घर बनाती है, छिद्र बनाती है, घर बनाती है, उसमें ले जा कर के भंडारण करती रहती है। और जब जाड़े का मौसम आता है तो चींटी आराम से घर में अपने बैठ करके और भोजन करती रहती है। बरसात का मौसम रहता है तो अपने बनाए हुए घर में आराम से पानी से बच जाती है। लेकिन टिड्डा जो है, ये बरसात के मौसम में इसके पास न घर है और जब ये काम नहीं करता है तो जाड़े में फिर इसके पास भोजन नहीं रहता है। तो यह चींटी के पास जाता है और कुछ खाने के लिए मांगता है और रहने के लिए शरण मांगता है। तब चींटी इसको बहुत ही बढ़िया जवाब देती है कि जाओ, जब बरसात और गर्मी में तुम गीत गा रहे थे तो अब जाओ जाड़े में नाचो। और टिड्डा बहुत लज्जित होता है। इस कहानी से हमें यही शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें लेबोरियस होना चाहिए, परिश्रमी होना चाहिए, हमें कायर नहीं होना चाहिए, निकम्मा नहीं होना चाहिए। अब तक मैंने आपको हिंदी में बताया, अब चलते हैं आपको इंग्लिश में पोएम पढ़ाते हैं। नाउ कम टू द लाइन्स ऑफ द पोएम। A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing through the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Here you can see the meaning silly. Silly means stupid. Accustomed to means habitual. Cupboard means almirah, but here cupboard means kitchen. Crumb means the piece of grain, अनाज का दाना। famine means starvation, means भूखमरी। To say here, the cricket is stupid. The poet says that the cricket is stupid, accustomed to sing, and all the summer and warm season he is singing, sitting on this grass, on that grass, on this leaf and on that leaf. He is only singing. And then when winter comes, he complains. Began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. He found that the winter came, and when he went into his kitchen, the kitchen was empty. Empty means vacant, खाली। जब किचन में गया तो किचन खाली था, कुछ नहीं था। Not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground. बर्फ से ढके हुए जमीन पर अनाज का एक भी दाना नहीं था उसके किचन में। There was not even a grain on the ground. Not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. And in winter season, there were no flowers on the tree, there were no leaves on the trees. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? What will become of me, says the cricket. अब टिड्डा कहता है, अरे अब हमारा क्या होगा? What will be become of me? At last, by starvation and famine made bold. और जब कई दिन तक भूखा रहा तो उसके अंदर थोड़ी हिम्मत आई. बोल्ड, बोल्ड मीन्स ब्रेव. famine, famine means starvation, भूखमरी. So now he was living, or he had been living for many days without food, without eating and drinking. Then he became brave, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. It was raining, so the raindrops were dripping on his body, and he was trembling. Trembling means shivering, means कांप रहा था. He was trembling with cold, ठंडी से कांप रहा था. Away he set off to a miserly ant. Miserly means thrift, कंजूस. तब वो कंजूस चींटे के पास गया. To see if to keep him alive he would grant him shelter from rain. यह देखने के लिए कि क्या चींटा उसको बरसात से बचने के लिए शरण देगा और भूखमरी से बचने के लिए भोजन देगा. He went to the ant to see whether the ant would give him grain to eat or he would give him shelter to avoid from the rain. He wished only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. He said to the ant to give him money on loan and he would repay it tomorrow. चींटे से कहा, मुझे कुछ पैसा उधार दे दो और मैं तुम्हें वापस कर दूंगा कल. कल का मतलब यहाँ कुछ दिन में. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. और चींटे से कहा, अगर आप नहीं दोगे तो मैं मर जाऊंगा भूख से. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. चींटे ने कितना बढ़िया उत्तर दिया. The cheetah answered, replied that he was his servant, he was his friend, but he would never give anyone the money, nor did he take from anyone the money on loan. So he was not giving the loan, nor did he take the loan. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? Quoth the cricket, not I. Then the ant asked the cricket if he had nothing in his kitchen when it was warm and monsoon season. The cricket said, quoth means said. The cricket said, no, he had not. My heart was so light that I sang day and night. For all nature looked gay, you sang, sir, you say. Then the cricket said that at that time his heart was light. Light means here pleasant, happy. His heart was happy. And due to this happiness, he was singing all the day and all the night. And he was not thinking of his food, of his kitchen. तब चींटे ने कहा, अच्छा, in the summer season, in the warm season you are singing, then in winter season go and dance. चींटे ने कहा, तो अब जाड़े में जाओ और नाचो. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. Thus ending, he hastily means hurriedly, quickly, jaldi se. He hastily lifted the wicket. Wicket means a stump, a stick. तब चींटे ने एक डंडा उठाया and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. और उसको घर से बाहर कर दिया. किसको? क्रिकेट को, टिड्डे को. Fox call this a fable. Fox means people. People call this story a fable. फेबल मीन्स an imaginary story which gives moral to others. एक काल्पनिक कथा जो दूसरों को शिक्षा देती है. तो poet says that fox say, people say it is a fable, I will warrant it true. लेकिन वो poet कहता है कि I take the guarantee that it is true, it is not the fable. Warrant means here justify, take the guarantee. कहता है कि मैं गारंटी लेता हूं कि यह सही है, कहानी नहीं है. सम क्रिकेट्स हैव 4 legs एंड सम हैव 2. और वह एक कमेंट करता है कि कुछ टिड्डे ऐसे हैं जिनके 4 पैर होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ टिड्डे हैं जिनके 2 ही पैर होते हैं. कवि का जो कमेंट है, वो जो टॉन्ट है, वो मनुष्य के लिए है, क्योंकि मनुष्य के 2 पैर होते हैं. जो कायर मनुष्य हैं वो टिड्डे के समान है, जो काम नहीं करते निकम्मे हैं वो टिड्डे के समान है. तो ऑल द कावर्ड पीपल हु आर आइडल, हु डू नॉट डू द वर्क, दे आर लाइक क्रिकेट, एंड दैट इज वाई they will never be prosperous, they will never be rich, and they will be suffering the wantage of food, the wantage of money and other things. और इस प्रकार से पोएम समाप्त होती है. क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख करके भेजूंगा बच्चों. दैट्स ऑल.